Your neighborhood do-it-best store is your best source for friendly service, expert advice, and innovative products like these. Whether you're a contractor doing bathroom remodels every week or you're a do-it-yourselfer ready to tackle your first one, you're going to want to know about this. It's a whole new way to do a shower or bathroom remodel. Todd from PROVA MD, tell us about this system.
Well, Evan, it's called our PROVA shower system. It's designed to completely waterproof and vapor tight a shower prior to tile installation. So you can, if you're a pro or if you're a DIYer, it's a pretty simple operation. Pros use it heavily, but now we've got a system now that's very DIY friendly as well. As you can see here.
Show us the parts.
Everything comes in a kit box. We have a couple different sizes. As you can see here, this is not, it's not a full installation, but it's showing some of the parts here. The pan is a preformed pan. This happens to be a 48 by 48 you're seeing here. Goes right to the drain. Everything is completely sloped down to the drain. The pan itself is a architectural styrofoam, so it's once there's put down with a modified thin set, it's about 600 pounds of pressure that you can put on this, so it's not your regular styrofoam that you're used to. It's an architectural type styrofoam. You can see everything, it's in a 4 pieces, so it's very easy and lockable. As long as you can halfway use a trowel, then you can do this system.
And you guys have videos online to make this easy for anybody.
Yes, sir, we sure do. At provaproducts.com, Evan, you can see some of these videos and you can see how it's done. You can see the membrane is the key. The pink part you see, we have inside corners, outside corners. There's curbing. There's for the pan, there's also a liner, and we also give you a roll of liner for the walls, and it can go on any walls as long as you're using modified thin set. That's what you use to put it up with.
So easy. How does this save time over traditional methods?
So traditional methods, they're usually using like a mortar bed. So they're mixing the mortar on a 2-story installation. You're having to carry that mortar upstairs. This whole kit weighs less than a 5-gallon bucket of mortar.
And this is the kit right here?
Yeah, that's a 32 by 60 you're looking at there. We also, like I said, this is a 48 by 48 that's out of the box here. And everything's in here except your tile, your grout, and your thin set for installation. You're ready to go, and you can carry it right up the stairs if you need to, or downstairs. It works on either wood subfloors or concrete subfloors.
Awesome. That's PROVA MD. It's the shower system you want to get, and it's available at your neighborhood do-it-best. This is just a sampling of the more than 67,000 items available from your friendly neighborhood do-it-best store. Check them out today.